Hi everyone, this is Ryan with American Gas Safety, and today we're doing an open box on our new designated button, our AGS ESO TW. The ESO is our emergency shutoff, TW is for twist release, we also offer KL for key lock. You may know the EGO TW, the EPO TW, and the EBO TW. We no longer will be having those. Instead, we have the ESO, which consolidates all three into one box. You no longer need to buy or specify those on your projects, just buy or specify the ESO. All right, let's open the box. First thing you'll see is the installation manual. This has all the information on the product and how to install it. Here we have our button that you all know. We have our screws, our labels. We have emergency power off, emergency boiler shut off, and emergency gas shut off. And last but not least, our contactor. Now, in order to install one of the labels onto the button, all you have to do, take off the back here. I'm doing this for simplification purposes. I'm going to take off this panel as well. And what you do is you take the label that you need, let's say it's gas in this case, flip it over, and you'll want to match these hooks into here. Careful not to bend them. And there you go, locks right in place. Perfect for emergency gas shutoff. And to take it out, you just squeeze the hooks and it'll pop right out. And there you have it. There's our button. Thank you for watching and hope you have a great rest of your day.